Incremental ratings. Now I sorted registry members by frequency. So those are the most used pictures. If I go to list, look at that, 400 elements have this picture. Look at that. Template SM Guru. That's what I used in the past. I no longer use that. But how is like 412 elements are using this picture? Those are not using it as a component. If I go to browse, those are dismissed topics. So they are not template, but even though they keep the original aesthetics and was using this picture. So it's kind of an irony that one of the most used pictures is actually no longer used. It's like a false positive because it's never used as a component. But I think Supermemo doesn't differentiate if it's used as a component or as a background. As you can see now, I'm using this image component for Supermemo Guru. And as you can see, not always, because this is about Supermemo. So any of these has this alt template. So what I can do is impose template on those 50 items. So now if I go back to the image registry, sort by frequency, now I have less elements. So those actually will be topics. Oh, now I get it. It's because at some point before getting rid of the template, I still change it to this blue, dark blue color, because I still wanted a unique template for Supermemo Guru when I started the dark layout. But very shortly I decided, let's merge it. So I have only one single template for items. So now I can trace back the exact element I used. And I guess this is for items. So we'll select all of these three, filter those, and now impose template. Keep in mind that I'm not selecting any template at all. I'm just imposing the template. This means that for any element that is on the currently on the browser, whatever template it has, impose it. It can be different templates. Now if I press Ctrl+Shift+U, it's the same. So long story short, now all I have left are dismissed topics. The same is true for all other templates I had. Supermemo, which is the same color, but almost the same degradation and icon, but it's one single picture. The one I use for auto hotkey, and I think that's it. Because these ones I'm using as a component. I will repeat the same. It's absolutely not needed. It's just to understand and to convey the idea that in the image registry, you can have images that are not actually used on any component, but on backgrounds.